Today we'll be sharing tips on how to give yourself a massage, focusing on areas and joints of the hands, arms, legs and feet. For achy joints in your hands and arms, warm the massage bar on your hand to release the butters and blend of essential oils. Apply the massage bar to your opposite arm and hand. Once you have enough oil on the skin, glide up the forearm, applying pressure on the upward motion to encourage blood flow towards the heart and to warm the area up. Be gentle but confident with your pressure. Use your thumb to circle the joints of the wrist. This will help to relieve stiffness. Again, using your thumb to glide in between the bones of your hands. Work the fingers and knuckles by gently squeezing the length of your fingers one at a time. Turn your hand to work into the palm, again using your thumb to find and break down tension. You can use your other palm to apply pressure. Finish with effleurages on the inside of the arm before repeating on the other hand and arm. Once you've finished the effleurage movements on your hands, be sure to warm the massage bar up again, as the next thing we'll be showing you is how to massage your achy lower legs and feet. Effleurage the lower leg to warm the area up. Ensure you cover as much surface area as possible with this movement to make it feel flowing. Using the fingers and thumbs, work in circular movements towards the ankle, trying to scoop up as much of your muscles with each repetition. Use your thumbs to circle down one side of the shin bone and then the other side. possible, place your foot onto your opposite knee and remember to relax your hip for further comfort. Effleurage the foot, covering your heels and ankles, and gently stretch the foot by pushing your toes up towards your knee. Ideally hold this stretch for 15 seconds. Next, use your knuckles on the inside section of your foot, starting from your heel and up towards the tip of your big toe. Glide back towards the heel and work the same area, but this time with your thumbs. Repeat your foot and leg stretch once more before taking off your foot from your supporting knee, and finish your massage routine with a few more effleurages. Lastly, to create a deeper stretch, keep your leg straight in front of you, your knee relaxed, and pull your foot up towards you. And just like that, aches no more. If you like this video, be sure to let us know in the comments section below.